Sit with me for a while. Let us leave the noise of the world outside. The distractions, the comparisons, the chaos of trying to be better than someone else. Today, let us talk about something far greater, being the best at what you do. You see, Arjun once asked me during the Kurukshetra war, Madhava, how do I become the finest archer? And I told him, stop asking how to be better than Dran or Karn. Ask instead how to be the best Arjun the world has ever seen. Because the path to greatness isn't paved with competition, it is paved with dedication, clarity, and presence. Do you remember the potter in the village of Mathura? People called him ordinary. Yet when he shaped clay, he became divine. His focus, his silence, his love for every curve of the vessel, that was his meditation. And so his pots carried not just water, but the essence of presence. Whether you are a teacher, a cleaner, a musician, a parent, or a warrior, the Lord does not measure you by title, but by truth. What truth? The truth that says, this moment is mine. This work is mine. I give it my all. The monks know a secret. A task done with devotion becomes worship. That's why even sweeping the floor becomes sacred in their hands. They do not chase greatness. They become it through devotion. You may think, but Krishna, I don't know what my best is. Ah, dear one, that's where self-reflection enters. Sit with yourself, as I sit with you now. Ask, what brings me alive? Where do I lose track of time? When do I feel in service, not just to others, but to my soul? You are not meant to do everything, but you are meant to do something, magnificently. And to do that, you must do three things. Show up fully, don't wait for the perfect mood or moment. Practice relentlessly, even I practice the flute every day in the forests of Vrindavan. Let go of the result, as I told Arjun. Do your duty, and detach from the outcome. When you let go of the ego's hunger for praise, your work becomes purer, stronger, divine.